This is the Hanse 385. Back here you've got a storage area for a life raft, or whatever you want to put here. It'll have a fold-down platform like the 315 also. Double wheels, composite wheels here. This has got a Volvo engine, and a Yanmar engine in it. And here we've got the controls right next to the wheel. You've got the B&G display. It can display anything you want. Got the autopilot here. This is the bow thruster, and this is the electric winch. Everything in this boat's led back to the helmsman, to one side or the other. Really nice B&G Zeus display here, which is easily swiveled from side to side, and then locks. Not very good at locking things when you've got two hands, but it locks to either side. This winch is here is a secondary winch. All the sheets come underneath it, but for a spinnaker you want that winch. Drink holders. These are ports. This little thing here is a receptacle for a lamp, and you've got a nice storage locker down in here. We've got a Dodger and a Bimini on this boat. And the Dodger we have down right now, down below, is the nice thing about these boats too is the stairs aren't that steep compared to a lot of boats. The Hanses keep them come down. It's just a great boat. Tons of storage in back of the cushions, storage under the cushions. Nice stereo. Again, got the B&G remote radio. This is all the gas, controls the gas. It's all the control panel. It's the pump, power, automatic bilge pumps. There's more you can add as far as if you wanted a display there for your GPS. It's fine, except the GPS is all linked into the iPads nowadays, so really don't need it. Nice table here. Nice leaves in the table here. Come up, lock in place. Nice storage for glasses. If you want to just have the table, just flip it over, and now it's just a table. Underneath here is storage for bottles. Can't see it very good, sorry about that. Underneath here is pretty funny. Might be just what you need though. It's wine storage. Good spot in Lake Michigan to put wine because the water's cold. Underneath here is all the AC power panel. Cool kitchen. 2 sinks. Little sink here. Nice little refrigerator area. You can get to from there, or you can get through here. Stove, just stack like that. Again, if you want a microwave, you can have it. It actually takes up this cabinet here. Lots of nice deep storage spaces, and it's cool. The drawers have the nice close option. This is the port aft cabin. A lot of storage over here to the side, and really a big berth back here. All the Hanse's really nice, easy access to the engine. It's a Yanmar engine here. It's the starting battery up on top. Little vent blower. The boat, again, really nice berth over here too. Nice storage, just like the other side. This is just a really nice head area. It's got a shower, and the nice thing is the toilet. It's got this cover over here. Access to all your equipment. Really nice shower area to put stuff. Good shower head. It's just really nicely thought out. Nice opening ports here, either side of the boat for ventilation. All the got screens on all the ports and cover and shades. That's the Hanse 385 at the Chicago Boat Show.